Calibration Services out of Carmel, Indiana. Come along for the ride. We're about to calibrate this Kia Carnival with a static calibration, so that means using the targets. And of course, we're going to be using our trusty Autel system. Autel makes it super easy, step by step, picture by picture, to make sure the calibration is done right the first time, every time. So come along for the ride. We're going to try this time warp feature on this camera. So we're going to be going a little bit fast forward here. Keep up. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day out there. Does it. Hope you enjoyed our first time warp video walking you through the steps. As always, a reminder, you want to be sure, as we did, make sure the tires are filled up to the proper PSI that's on the placard on the driver's door typically. Now you want to make sure the fluids are up, the gas is topped off, and there's no excessive weight in the vehicle making it shift in the yaw or in the yee. You know what I'm talking about. All right, well anyways guys, hope you enjoyed it. Join us next time.